Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this week. I hope all of you have had an amazing week. It is officially fall outside and I thought what better way to celebrate fall before the temperatures drop into the freezings this week than to celebrate fall with a wonderful fall fantasy eye look. So let's dive on in and get started. The palette that I'm going to be using today is the Morphe 25A palette. And the colors that we're going to be playing with today is going to be this first shade up here called Overcast, then followed by Nickle. We're going to play with this shade down here. This is Ember. And then we're going to finish the eye off with the middle one, which is called Version. So let's dive on into this beautiful, beautiful fall nude palette. Today, to base out my eye, I am going to be using Overcast, which is the first shade in the palette. I'm going to be using a brush that came in the Morphe eye brush set. It's a smaller size fluffy brush, and we're just going to pack some color onto that and then just brush it across the eye and up into the brow bone. After we've based out our eye, the next shade that I'm going to be using is Nickle, which is the slight metallic brown shade here. I am going to be putting that in my inner corner. Just going to be using a flat-ended brush from the Morphe eye brush set, and then we're just going to place it right in the inner corner. And again, just taking that about a quarter of the way across the eye. First color done. The next shade that we're going to be applying right next to the Nickle color is going to be this beautiful metallic shade right down here called Ember. Sorry, I had to look at my little cheat sheet. And we're just going to be placing that right next to Nickle. I really love the pigment in this shade. I think it's so beautiful for fall. It just reminds me of like the fall leaves changing colors, especially that gradation between the two colors themselves. And 2 colors down. And again, we take that one all the way out almost to the inner corner. At least that's how I like to do my eyes. So let's go on to the last shade. The last shade for the top of this lid look is going to be the middle shade right here. That shade is called Version. I just really want to add some dimension and depth to the eye. So we're going to dip into that and place that right in the outer corner. Right up into the crease. Just blending that out. I think that eye needs a little bit more. Just packing that color on just to create that definition. There we go. So as you know, I really like to line the bottom of my lower lash line with the same colors that I used on the top. Today, just for a little bit more of a drama effect to create that really fantasy look, I'm going to just be using the 2 shades that we used last. So we're going to be using Ember, that copper metallic, and then we're going to be finishing out the outer corner here with, again, that Version brown color right in the middle. I'm going to be using, again, as always, my go-to smudge brush from e.l.f. I'm going to dip in to Ember first and place that right in the inner corner. we're going to take that right out to the outer corner just so that we can put in that version brown color just to tie the two together. Beautiful. And then dipping into that brown version shade, just popping that right in the outer corner. And blending those two together. So today I am going to be adding just a little bit more sparkle to this eye look using glitter from Eye Kandy. Today we will be using the shade Taffy, which is going to be this really beautiful orange shade here. Little copper, little orange, I love it. So to base out where I want to put the color, we are going to be using the Ulta Glitter Primer. And normally what I like to do is I just like to take a little bit and put it right on the back of my hand. Take a condensed flat brush. Just dab it onto it. And then just apply it where you want the glitter to go. Today I'm going to be focusing a little bit more so on the inner corner part of my eye. And then for the other eye. And you can dip right in to that glitter. So just to add just a little bit of shimmer to that eye. Next step is going to be obviously applying a lip to finish off this look. So today I am going to go bold. I was originally going to do nude, and I was like, you know what? Let's live dangerously. So I'm going to be using the Got to Go liquid lip from the new Conspiracy collection from Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. So let us go ahead and apply her to the lips. Truly just a beautiful metallic copper color. I love it. So here's the finished look. So today in the eye look, we used Overcast to base out the eye. Then we used Nickle in the inner corner, Ember over the main part of the lid, and then Version on the outer part of the lid. We then went in with the Taffy glitter from Eye Kandy, and we based that with the Ulta Glitter Primer. To finish it off, we did the lip today, which is Gotta Go by the Conspiracy collection from Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. And as always, take an all-nighter setting spray and set that face. Oh, I always love to do that. I just need to interject here because the makeup look is not done yet. I'm over here just at my face, living my life, and I done forgot mascara. So, going in with the Milk Kush mascara, which is one of my personal favorites for lengthening and voluming, to actually finish this look off. We're just gonna take her on out and apply her to some of the lashes. Oh, so much better. Make sure you get that lower lash line. There we go. Now, back to me again. And I hope that you, again, have an amazing rest of your fall and have some fun. Hopefully this weather doesn't drop too low, but we'll be sure to find out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate all of your comments, views, and love and support. Always remember to stay classy, stay sassy, and as always, love your look. Bye.